Here we presented our top 5 best mid-tower PC cases. So, let's get started this video. Number 5. Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact Mid-Tower ATX PC Case. The Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact is designed with this in mind. The case has a subdued aesthetic with a stylish mesh front panel. A nylon filter is included to help keep dust out of your computer, but you can remove it for even more airflow if needed. The rest of the case continues to offer more potential cooling options. You can fit 2 fans on top of the case, one on the bottom, and one more for the exhaust on the rear. For the price, Fractal Design includes 3 Dynamic X2 fans, 2 140mm and 1 120mm. Number 4. Phanteks Eclipse P600S Mid-Tower ATX PC Case. This case provides plenty of room for your choice of even eATX motherboards, but a special bracket you can buy lets you build a secondary ITX-based system right inside the same case as your primary system. Imagine having your streaming system built inside your gaming system. Beyond the motherboards, the Phanteks Eclipse P600S has room for a ton of large fans or radiators, and it even includes a PWM hub to support 8 fans. However, you can remove it to increase airflow. Number 3. Corsair 4000D Airflow Mid-Tower ATX PC Case. If you're not interested in an expensive and flashy RGB lit case, then the Corsair 4000D Airflow is for you. Sure, you lose out on the cool lighting, but the tempered glass side panel can show off the RGB on your high-end components anyways. That panel also slides off for easy part swapping. And you can squeeze in a wide range of systems from eATX to ITX builds. There's tons of additional space for CPU air coolers, radiators, and large graphics cards, too. Number 2. Cooler Master Mastercase H500 ATX Mid-Tower PC Case. The Cooler Master H500 is the best option for the job. First off, you get dual 200mm intake fans that move air like it's nobody's business while managing to stay super quiet. There are loads of additional fan mounts on the front, top, and rear to cool every last part of your PC. The mesh front and filtered ventilation system on top ensure that hot air gets out. Plus, you even have room for a liquid CPU cooler setup too, or a home brew kit if you're ready for it. Number 1. Phanteks Eclipse P300A Mid-Tower ATX PC Case. Sometimes you want to spend more on your internals and be a bit thrifty when it comes to your computer case. That's where the $80 Phanteks Eclipse P300A steps in. It offers a decently spacious mid-tower to build in with loads of airflow. You can even use the front as an outlet for air blown through a radiator as large as 280mm. It is pretty roomy, and it fits most motherboards as well as full-sized power supplies. There's plenty of space for storage with 2 mounting points for 2.5-inch SSDs and 2 3.5-inch drive trays that slide out of the front of the case.